At the moment, if we go to a route that doesn't exist, we just see a page with the navigation, as there is no route that matches our params. Wouldn't it be better to have a not found page? Let's add a not found component with some text and a router link that goes to the home page. In our router file, let's add another route. The code for creating a catch-all route looks like this. Here, we're using a custom param regular expression by adding the regex inside parentheses right after the param. If you are familiar with not found routes in View 2, you'll remember that they can be defined with a star as the path. This no longer works in View 3 with View Router 4. The newer version looks a little more complex, but it actually gives us a lot more flexibility under the hood. And for a not found page, you'll only ever use it once in your application, and you can always just go to the router docs and copy and paste it, which is exactly what I did. Let's change the component to a dynamic import for performance's sake. Now, if we go to our application and add any word in our route, we will see the not found component, and clicking the link will take us home. We can also see in the View DevTools that we now have a route with the regex for the path and the name not found. And if we go to a route that doesn't exist, you will see it loads the not found component. However, if we go to the Brazil page and change the ID to 33 and the slug to Mexico, it doesn't give us the not found page. What is going on here? In this case, the URL is matching the route pattern, so the router serves the route. So our problem is one level lower. We don't have a destination with the ID of 33 in our data.json file, and the router is not aware of what's in that file, or what isn't. We need a way to check if the destination actually exists before we load the destination route. We can do this using a navigation guard. We'll dive into that in the next lesson.